In part 1 of this video on legal and illegal motorcycle modification in India, we discussed the law put forth by the Supreme Court of India in 2019 about the modification laws for India. We also discussed various modifications which are highly illegal and can get you and your motorcycle in very serious trouble. Motorcycle modification laws in India are very strict. There have been many instances in the past where the cops have seized the motorcycle for modifications. In this video, I will tell you some tasteful modification that can be done to your motorcycle without coming under the radar. All the modifications listed in this video, if done properly and tastefully, there will be little or no problem from cops. Number 1. Body wraps. Body wraps have become quite a trend in the Indian market. There are many garages and graphic shops that install various types of vinyl wraps that look extremely good on a bike. Body wraps can completely change the way a motorcycle looks, and it can be applied to the complete vehicle or certain parts like the tank, side panel, rims, etc. Applying body wraps is completely legal as it does not change the original color of the vehicle. However, if you want to paint your vehicle in a new color, you will have to get it endorsed on the registration certificate by visiting the local RTO. If you vinyl wrap your motorcycle in the same color which is mentioned in your RC book, whether it be gloss finish or matte finish, you will have no problems from the cops. Number 2. Tire upgrades. One of the most common upgrades in India on a motorcycle is the wheels. Many people go for a larger tire and aftermarket alloy wheels to give the bike a better stance and make it more noticeable on the road. Upsizing the tires and upgrading to aftermarket alloy wheels is not legal. However, if you install very large tires which will affect the handling adversely, it can cause certain problems to the motorcycle and the motorcycle may get seized too. For instance, if you have the Yamaha FZ25 which is equipped with 140/70 MRF tires at the rear and 100/80 MRF tires in the front. So if you're interested in upgrading your tires to a better and more high performance tires like the Pirellis, that would be completely legal, as long as you are not installing too fat tires which may cause imbalance to the motorcycle. The trick over here is you can play around the different company tires as long as they are of the right size which is specified by the manufacturer. Number 3. Body kits. While a few body kits completely change the way a motorcycle looks, others make the motorcycle look very aggressive. Most of the body kits are completely bolt-on and are legal. If the body kit does not change the structure or chassis of the vehicle, it is legal and can be used without any problems. In recent times, many custom shops have started offering body kits at their dealership. Tasteful cosmetic modification done using body kits are completely legal as long as you are not doing any chassis alteration. Number 4. Suspension. The suspension of a motorcycle can be replaced with high performance aftermarket ones for a much better ride quality without any problem. However, changing the ground clearance by a margin can get your motorcycle seized. A difference of few millimeters from the stock suspension setup is not illegal at all. Motorcycle owners can upgrade their telescopic suspension setup to a USD suspension setup without any problem. The rear suspension can also be changed to a gas-charged suspension setup for better handling and stability without any problem from cops. Number 5. Performance remaps. Performance remaps to an extent are legal and should be done by a certified professional. These remaps tinker around with the electronics of the motorcycle which increases its performance. These modifications are not visual, so you will not get into trouble for a performance remap. Number 6. Exhaust modification. Aftermarket free flow performance exhausts are strictly illegal. but you can install exhaust setup from different motorcycle to your motorcycle without any problem. As long as the exhaust note is not too loud or has a lot of bass, there will be little or no problem from the cops. Of course, this is a hack and may or may not work depending on the scenarios. Number 7. Auxiliary lamps. While modifying the headlamp can be dangerous and illegal, adding auxiliary lamps are very safe. The auxiliary lamp should not be installed above the height of the stock headlamp and should be covered while riding on public roads. These lamps are used to spot any obstacle while doing off-roading or when doing long motorcycle tours. The lights must be installed below the stock headlight position and they should not be extremely bright, which may cause problem to other riders on the streets. Number 8. LED inserts. While modifying the stock headlamp can be illegal if the correct bulb is not used, inserting a LED DRL in the headlamp is legal. DRL help others on the road to spot your vehicle more easily during the day. And there are many automobile shops that offer LED DRL installation in motorcycles. Similarly, the tail lamp can be modified with LED inserts to make them look premium. You can also install LED indicators on your motorcycle without any problem from cops. Number 9. Seat treatment. The Motor Vehicle Act forbids changing the number of seats in the motorcycle. However, people can make the seat feel much plusher with aftermarket modifications. Many owners put softer covers on the seat to make them more comfortable on longer rides. It is completely legal. Number 10. Safety features. Installing safety features like motorcycle locks, GPS tracker, etc. are completely legal. The warranty of the vehicle may get cancelled for the electrical modification, but no cop would seize your motorcycle for it. Number 12. Convenience features. Motorcycle owners can install aftermarket accessories to make riding easier. Features like mobile holder, tank pads, saddle bags, storage space, etc. You can also install an external metal skeleton or crash guard to prevent damage to the crucial components of the motorcycle in case of a fall or crash. In conclusion, simple and tasteful modification which do not hinder with the original specification are completely legal. Modifications done smartly with proper planning and execution, keeping the motorcycle as low-key as possible, will not put you or your beloved motorcycle into trouble. Name of the game is do modifications to your motorcycle which are as low-key as possible. The lesser visually visible these modifications are, the more safer your motorcycle will be.